So today I'm going to show you this little mini vacuum cleaner, which is actually perfect because we are road tripping it, and anybody knows who road trips with kids, it can get messy. So I'm going to show you this vacuum cleaner. It's really cool. So this is the vacuum cleaner itself, and it comes with a couple of different attachments to it. You charge it here, and when you turn it on, it will tell you what the battery is and everything. Okay, so we're gonna vacuum some stuff up here, and it's got different settings. I spilled some goldfish all over the ground. Me, not the kids, ironically. But see how great this device is for these little messes. We're good. Now we're gonna use Anyways, basically, if you have kids and you take them in your car, this little vacuum is perfect for that.